Would you want to buy a humanoid companion robot like this in the future? In our last video, we asked a bold question. Would you buy a humanoid companion? Now, let's go a step further. What happens when these machines don't just imitate humans, but actually start to replace them in our lives? We're seeing more people turning to humanoid robots not just for curiosity, but for connection. Elderly people are finding comfort in robots that talk to them. Some individuals with anxiety feel safer opening up to a machine than to a human. And others are exploring romantic or even intimate companionship with AI-powered humanoids. It's easy to dismiss this as a tech trend or sci-fi fantasy. But for many, these experiences are deeply real, emotionally significant, and even life-changing. Here's the twist. These robots are programmed to listen without judgment, show empathy, and never grow tired of us. And let's be honest, how often do we experience that kind of attention from other humans or even our partners? That's where the conversation shifts. Are these robots simply filling a gap, or are they showing us something uncomfortable about ourselves? We say we crave human connection. But what if machines give us a version of it that feels easier, safer, and more controllable? Are we ready to build emotional relationships that come with off switches? This isn't just about robots. It's about us. How we connect. What we need. And what we're willing to accept in place of real, flawed, beautiful human interaction. So, in this future we're building, where AI companions become common, the norm, will we be more connected or more alone? Tell us what you think. Are humanoid robots helping us grow or just making it easier to avoid each other? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We're just getting started on this journey.